Welcome to episode 3 of the Diamond R Garage. We'll pick up where we left off in the mobile system design series. Today, we're going to answer the question, how many speakers do you need? Now, before we answer this question, realize we may be covering material that you already know. But let's start at the beginning and provide some information on different speaker types available. Now, typically, there are 3 types of speakers. The first 2 will cover our mid-range and tweeters, and the third are subwoofers. Tweeters are generally the smallest and reproduce the highest frequencies audible by the human ear, such as sounds from a cymbal in a drum set and a violin in an orchestra. Mid-range speakers are sized between a tweeter and a subwoofer. They reproduce the middle frequencies such as riffs from a guitar and vocals from a singer. Finally, subwoofers are the largest and reproduce the lowest frequencies possible. This is where you can feel the low end of a bass guitar and the kick from a drum set. Now we'll explore subwoofers in a future episode. Alright, now that we covered speaker types, tweeters and mid-range are generally grouped together as full-range speaker sets or a component speaker set. Full range are available in coaxial designs, meaning the tweeter and the mid-range are combined in a single frame. Component speakers utilize a separate tweeter and a separate mid-range speaker. So you're probably thinking, what's the difference? Full range provides the benefit of easy installation because it's a single speaker. However, the downside is that sound quality can be compromised because a smaller tweeter is used. Now, on the other hand, component speakers have better sound quality because they use a larger independent tweeter. But they can be more difficult to install since you'll be installing 2 speakers instead of 1. Finally, a crossover is a method used to split your music signal into ranges. These are typically attached to the mid-range and the tweeter or in a separate box. Let's address how many and what type of speakers you need. This is really based on your vehicle type. Now generally, we break vehicles down into 4 main types: compact cars, sedans and hatchbacks, trucks, and SUVs. When we describe the number of speakers, we're assuming that one speaker includes a tweeter and a mid-range. Compact cars are typically 2-door vehicles that feature speakers in the left and right doors. Sedans and hatchbacks are typically 2 or 4-door vehicles that feature speakers in both the front and the rear doors. Trucks are typically 2-door vehicles that feature left and right door speakers. Trucks can also have front and rear doors that bring the count to 4 speakers. SUVs are typically 4-door vehicles that feature 4 speakers. Now, some may have a 3rd row option equipped with 6 speakers. Now obviously, there are other vehicle types that don't conform to this standard, but for the most part, your vehicle should fall under one of these types discussed. To summarize, this video should help you determine how many speakers you need for your vehicle. Check out our website at rockfordfosgate.com for available speaker models and for more information on system design. If you have additional questions, feel free to talk with your authorized dealer. They're always happy to help you find the best solution for your system. Stay tuned for more videos as we guide you through mobile system design. You can catch our previous episodes in our YouTube playlist. Hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And we'll see you in the next video.